My name is Austin LeMaster, and I'm a cybersecurity solution specialist here at MicroAge. The other day I was sitting down with a client in the manufacturing industry. They were about to acquire more facilities in the United States and potentially globally. They needed a better way to manage their network. They wanted to replace their legacy VPN. Their MPLS connections were getting too expensive. Their IPsec tunnels were becoming too much to manage. After carefully considering several providers, we sat down with Cato Networks. Cato Networks is a leader in the SASE platform. That's a secure access service edge that combines software-defined wide area network with a secure service edge. Cato came to the table with the capabilities that this company needed. Whether that be layering on zero trust network access, data loss prevention, secure web gateway, or handling all those IPsec tunnel configurations on their global private backbone. Cato had exactly what this client needed. If you're struggling with your network security or your network setup, if you have any questions about cybersecurity in general, give us a call and let's have a conversation.